Hi people, it's Justin R5676 again. This is for a video request, maxthieriotrockz. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Okay, he asked me to do another burping video, so here we go. That's fucking it. I'm gonna try to do the biggest burp ever. Watch. That wasn't really a burp, that was more of a squeal for help. Hey Mom! I love doing that. Wow, I was swallowing air and then suddenly I just hicked it back up. That was weird. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe. See you later.